Hi guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this PLC tutorial, we will learn about pulse timer, what it is, and how to configure it into your portal software. So let's begin. PT or pulse timer turns on the output for a fixed time when the input turns on. Here's how it works. You press a button, the timer starts. Output stays on for the set time. Then it turns off automatically. Even if you release the button quickly, the output will stay on for the full time. A good example is a buzzer that rings for 2 seconds when you press a button. And now let's move into the TIA Portal software where I will explain you how to configure the PT or pulse timer. So here I have placed a normally open contact which will be acting as a start switch. And now here I will be placing TP or pulse timer. It is placed here in timer operations in the TIA Portal software. So here we have the list of the timers. We need TP here, which is pulse timer. Click OK for this window, and this right here is the pulse timer. We also required an output here, so I will be placing an output here like this. And now we need the tags. For that we need to go into PLC tags and double click here on show all tags. So here we will be writing the tags. So first I am writing here input, and this tag will be assigned to the start push button. And then we need the tag required for the output. So for that I am writing here output. For the identifier in address, we write Q for the output when we are using the TIA Portal software or for the Siemens PLC. And also we would be requiring a tag for the timer, and that is elapsed timer. So I'm writing here elapsed underscore time. The data type for this tag is not going to be boolean, it's going to be double word. So I'm gonna change this boolean to D word. And for the address, basically the identifier, we do not use I for the elapsed time. We always use M for this purpose. Okay, so check this box from here. We are done with the tags, and now let's get back to the main, and we need to assign these tags. Okay, so first I'm going to assign the input tag to this normally open contact. This will be acting as an input switch, and this is going to be the output. So I have created the output tag for this. This is the preset time, and this is going to be the elapsed time. For preset time, we type here how much seconds we want the timer to be turned on. So here I have written 3 seconds. This is basically milliseconds, so I have written 3000 for 3 seconds. And for the elapsed time, we have created the tag. Now let's turn on the simulation, which is also working in my case. So I'm simply going to download the program from here, click on load button, and after that I will be turning on the monitoring mode from here. This is the option for the monitoring mode. Click on this option. As soon as I do this, we will be seeing this green line. Okay, now let's toggle the input button. So for that we have this window. I'm going to delete the previous tags and I'm going to load the new tags. So these are all the new tags. Since we do not these IEC timer, so I'm going to delete these IEC timer tags. I need only the input, output, and elapsed timer tags that I have created earlier. So basically I'm going to toggle the input switch. As soon as I do that, when we check this input box from here, the output is gonna get turned on for the preset time, and we have set the preset time as 3 seconds. So let's turn it on again. So I'm gonna turn it on, and the output will stay turned on for 3 seconds, and then it's gonna turn off because we have set the preset time as 3 seconds. We can change this preset time as per our requirement as well. So let's do that. First, I am going to turn off the monitoring mode, and then I am going to change this preset time to 6 seconds, which is equal to 6000 milliseconds. Now let's download the program again, and now let's turn on the monitoring mode again as well from here. And now let's see, if we turn on the start push button, the output should stay turned on for 6 seconds because the preset time is now 6 seconds. So when we turn on this input switch, the output will be turned on for 6 seconds and then it's gonna get turned off again automatically. So that's all about this video, guys. We have learned about the preset time and how to configure it in TIA Portal software. If you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.